Now that we've got the arrow on the right traveling towards left, let's have a look at its orientation. So if I just play this, you'll see that the arrow is just pointing towards left all the time. We're talking about this arrow here, the purple and green one. So as this arrow is traveling, I want this to orient itself towards the direction of the travel as well. So I'm going to do that by selecting the layer and then right-clicking on it, and then going to transform and auto orient, and I'll turn this option on, and then I'll hit OK. Now doing that worked fine for the red and yellow arrow, but it didn't quite work for the green and purple one. This arrow now, if you watch it carefully, is actually going backwards. So it's orienting itself, but in the wrong direction. So if I play it, you see, it's going backwards. Now the reason why that's happening is because there's no way for After Effects to know which side is the right side of this arrow. So it just automatically turns this in one direction. But you can fix that really easily. All you have to do is to go to the rotation of this, so R, and then you just go and change this rotation to 180. And that's how you tell the layer to face the right direction, by rotating it 180 degrees. You see, if you play this now, it'll be oriented properly.